In this video, I'm going to talk about one of the most useful features of Google Cloud, and that is Cloud Shell. A lot of times, you're going to need some sort of development environment or some sort of small machine where you use to run scripts. Google Cloud has a tool called Cloud Shell. On the upper right-hand corner of my screen, you can see there's a button to activate Cloud Shell. So if I click Activate Cloud Shell, you can see what's happening in the back end is that it's provisioning a Cloud Shell machine. Cloud Shell is absolutely free. There are no costs to Cloud Shell. However, from here, I have a machine, a fully working machine that I can use. You can even see that it's storing some files that I have from previous work that I've done. And if I wanted to, I can run some basic commands. For example, I can run some Docker commands here. I can view this machine's contents, and you can see this is just any normal Linux machine. I can even use this to SSH to a virtual machine if I wanted to. So for example, if I go to VMs, I have a virtual machine here that is running. I can connect to this virtual machine using a gcloud command. So I'll just copy this command to connect to the machine. And I can paste it here so I can essentially SSH to that machine via Cloud Shell. So it's generating some SSH keys for me, and then it will automatically connect me to that particular machine. So I'm now connected to a virtual machine on Google Cloud. Now this is a little bit constrained. You're running it on your browser on the bottom end. If you want a nicer view, you can click Open Editor, and this will open Cloud Shell Editor. It's essentially a cloud-based IDE. So once you open this Cloud Shell Editor, you're going to have access to all of your files that are in Cloud Shell. For example, here are some Terraform files that I am working on. And I should be able to edit these files, create new files if I wanted to, all from this editor.